Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance Reward Hub. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Reward Hub section. You'll find it easily within your user dashboard. Once there, you'll see a variety of available rewards, including cashback vouchers and trading fee rebates. It's important to review the specific terms for each reward to ensure you meet the eligibility criteria and understand how to redeem them effectively. This ensures you maximize your benefits. Once you're in the Reward Hub, head over to the My Rewards tab. Here, you'll see all the rewards you've earned or are eligible for. To claim a reward, simply click the Redeem button next to the specific item you wish to activate. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm your choice to apply the reward directly to your Binance account. Remember, some rewards have expiration dates, so claim them promptly. The Binance Reward Hub offers several types of rewards designed to benefit users. Cashback vouchers, for instance, give you a percentage of your trading fees back, often around 5% to 10%. Trading fee rebates directly lower the cost of your transactions, making trading more economical. Additionally, you might find token vouchers, which credit a specific amount of cryptocurrency directly to your spot wallet. Always check the details to understand the value and application of each reward. To truly maximize your benefits from the Binance Reward Hub, make it a habit to check it regularly. New offers and promotions are frequently added, so consistent monitoring ensures you don't miss out on valuable opportunities. Actively participating in Binance campaigns and events can also significantly increase the number of rewards you earn. These often include tasks that grant additional vouchers or rebates. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.